Hell, and I thank you for tuning in this video. In this training tutorial, we're going to talk to you about doing a SWOT analysis. That is doing a SWOT analysis on your business. And you may be asking, Chris, what is a SWOT analysis and how can that help me improve my business? Well, let me tell you, SWOT analysis allows you to examine your internal and external things that are going on within your company so you can look at it, improve, and all types of things like that. In short, I'm going to show you how you yourself can perform a SWOT analysis. Of course, you know I'm going to put the plug in. Of course, here at XC Hostmasters, our marketing department can do one for you. We ask you a couple of little questions. There's a small fee of $50, and we can do it for you. But I'm going to show you how to do it today. Okay, so here we go. First of all, a SWOT analysis, when you commonly see it, is done on some type of chart. Okay, here's an example of just a plain Jane one that I perform on the Hostmasters. And as you see, each category is broken down into strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Okay, and each category you can put more than 3, but I always say to just get a start. To start with 3 different bullets, and then when you find those 3 different bullets, then you're going to write out a paragraph or so about the thing that you're talking about. So then when you go back to the drawing board and you start preparing whether it's your marketing, whether it's restructuring of your business, you see your strengths, you're able to see your weaknesses, your opportunities, and also your threats. So let's go down one by one and talk about each. Okay. First, you have the S. Okay, S stands for strength. All right, so like I told you before, write down 3 strengths of your company. You have the W. The W stands for weaknesses. Then you again write down 3 weaknesses of your company. And sometimes this can be a hard pill to swallow. But if you're honest and you really put down your real weaknesses, you can improve your overall business structure. The next one that you have would be your external. Internal things are things that you could change and things that you can modify because you know your strengths and you definitely know your weaknesses. Okay. The next 2 deals with external. Okay. These are things that might not necessarily be in your control, but however you can do things to modify those external things that does affect your business. Okay, so you have internal and you also have external. Now we're going to the opportunities. What are opportunities? Okay, you might have an opportunity in social media. You might have an opportunity in sales. You might have an opportunity against your competition. You list the different opportunities that your company has. All right. And on the last one, which is T, and that stands for threats. Those are threats that can hinder your business or that could affect your businesses. So your threats could be your competitors, your threats could be legal issues, your threats could be political issues. There are all types of different threats that can actually affect your business. So now you understand what a SWOT analysis is. It stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. That's strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. You can collectively get with your team and identify your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. Okay. Again, if you say, hey, I ain't for sure about that, I just told you exactly how you do it. You can always visit us at www.xchostmasters.com/billing, and you'll see our store. It'll say store, and that first tab right there will say social media management. You can find the SWOT analysis there. Our team might ask you a couple of questions and allow them 7 days to actually produce you a actual SWOT analysis. Okay, God bless you and thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Crystal Hell. I am the operations director here at the XC Hostmasters. All right, so have a great day. God bless.